Hello there and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today we're doing part 2 of 4th of July, Decorate With Me. We're doing the outside of the house and I'm tweaking a few things on the inside, and I'm going to take you through kind of a home tour at the end and also share a patriotic recipe. So I'm excited for this video and to share all that with you guys. If you're new here, my name is Caitlin Hunter and I love to do all things decorating on my channel. I would love it if you would subscribe. And you can follow me over on Instagram at Mrs. Caitlin Hunter. I post more to my stores daily and I love chatting with you guys over there.
Saw the ending before the movie was done. I got thick skin because I've been burned before. I got baggage that you don't know of. Learn the hard way not to trust anyone. I'm not letting anyone get too close. I'm a wild one, I'm alright, love on my own. You probably think I'm hurting, but darling, I'll be fine. It's just a little heartbreak, and heartbreak fades with time. You probably think I'm broken, I swear that I'm alright. It's just a little heartbreak, and heartbreak fades with time. You probably think I'm hurting, right? But cowgirls don't cry.
I'm loving these ribbons. I got these from John Marks. You might know him from Instagram. He's got a floral company and he does all these ribbons and stuff and tutorials, and I just love him. He's a bright light over there on the gram. But I ended up ordering 2 of these ribbons. I usually like to make my own and do more DIYs, but now that I'm back at work full time, it was more convenient for me to buy these and not have to try to source the ribbon and make my own ribbon. And I don't think it was that much of a big difference in cost if I would have done it on my own versus buying his. But they're beautiful. They look gorgeous on the doors. I also want to say these doors, they need some love, but really I'm kind of looking into getting new doors because I want more light in the foyer. It's just kind of dark with these full panel doors. So I'll be looking into that and sharing that on the channel whenever I find the right situation. But yeah, so I love these ribbons, and I'm curious, what are you guys doing for the 4th of July? Are you all decorated? Are you having family over? Are you doing fireworks? We plan to have a nice big lunch, and my husband has to work unfortunately that night, but I know my neighbors will be doing a bunch of fireworks. We live out in the country, so I'm excited for the free show with my daughter.
I saw the red flags before giving you a chance. I said no, I turned you down before we even got to dance. I have demons that I don't really show. Learn the hard way not to trust anyone. I'm not letting anyone get too close. I'm a wild one, I'm alright, love on my own. You probably think I'm hurting.
These pillows are from Walmart this year, and I love them. They're a great pop. These rocking chairs, they've got to go. They're kind of rotting at the bottom, but for now I'm just leaving them here as props. We're not sitting in them or anything. These flowers, I've had them for a few seasons now. I put them outside every year. I think this year I need to retire at least the red flowers that are in there. They're kind of turning pink, but we'll give them one more year and retire them after this season. Also, the song I'm playing right now in this video, it's kind of a sad song, but I think it's a really beautiful song too. There's nothing going on with me, so don't take that as a cue or anything, but I think it's a pretty song. It's a country song, and it's nice and it's available for me to use.
Darling, I'll be fine. It's just a little heartbreak, and heartbreak fades with time. You probably think I'm broken, I swear that I'm alright. It's just a little heartbreak, and heartbreak fades with time. You probably think I'm hurting. Ooh, but cowgirls don't cry.
put 2 of these pleated flags out down here on the lower level, and they just weren't staying up there. I ended up taking them down because the wind kept taking them down anyway. But I do have bigger pleated flags that I put on the balcony above that I'll show you here in a minute. I also added these planters. I'm trying to fill the space right here on the porch. I think these were bigger to me in person at the store, but when I have them in place, it's not quite what I was thinking for what I wanted in between these windows, so I'm going to be looking for something else.
Too close, I'm a wild one, I'm alright, love on my own. You probably think I'm hurting, but darling, I'll be fine. It's just a little heartbreak, and heartbreak fades with time. You probably think I'm broke.
Now we're going to move to the backyard, to the chicken coop. Of course, they need some patriotic flair on their little house. My daughter's out here helping me too, and she actually had a great idea for how to use these pinwheels. You'll see in a minute. I was going to stick them in like planters and stuff, but it was really cute how she put them in front of the coop, so we're going to keep it like that. My little mini-me doing a great job out here helping me out.
I swear that I'm alright. It's just a little heartbreak, and heartbreak fades with time. You probably think I'm hurting. Ooh, cowgirls don't cry.
Okay, I already shared this space with you guys in the last video, but I wanted to go ahead and show you I added this horse to the mixture. I've been looking for a good horse bus for a while now, and I've already bought 2 and sent them back, and I found this one. I think this one's perfect for what I'm looking for. I am getting a little bit more country in some aspects since we've moved to the country, but I'm still pretty glam.
Wouldn't lie to you, doesn't matter what I do. She's got a hold on me. She knows how to drive a truck, but she lets me pick her up when we're going dancing. My heart stops beating when my headlights shining on her. She's my country girl. I couldn't tell you what she's doing with me. She's so damn out of my league.
Now we're going to move into the kitchen, and we're making this fun caprese patriotic salad. All it is some cherry tomatoes, and I sliced them here. And then you add in some blueberries, some mozzarella pearls, some balsamic glaze, and then I also took some sliced mozzarella, and I used my star-shaped cookie cutter and made some stars, and you'll see how cute it turns out in the end. Oh, also basil. You need to add basil too. It's a caprese patriotic salad. Also, I'm wondering, like, do you guys like to see these type of like patriotic festive recipes? I know last year I made that skull gnocchi in one of my Halloween videos, and it was pretty popular. And speaking of that, after 4th of July, where do you guys want to go with me on this channel? Should we go straight to Halloween, try to do some fall, or just back to school decorating? I'm trying to plan ahead, and I also want to share some work I want to do in the laundry room and our half bath down here. I want to do a nice project on that. I'm still trying to find everything I need for that, and I still want to change those lights over the kitchen island. I just haven't found the right fit for what I have in my mind, but I can't wait to share that on this channel too. So yeah, let me know what you would like to see next on my channel.
She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes, and I'm feeling like midnight's getting closer, and I just wanna hold her in my arms till the sun comes up. She's a little bit country, yeah, she's my country girl. She's a little bit country, yeah, she's my country girl. She can let her hair down, but got her feet on the ground. I can't get enough of her. She can drive me so wild, just with that sweet smile, and there's nobody else for me. My heart starts racing every time I'm looking at her. She's my country girl. I couldn't tell you what she's doing to me. She's so damn out of my league. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes. And I'm feeling like midnight's getting closer, and I just wanna hold her in my arms till the sun comes up. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl.
Now I want to go ahead and share this fun, refreshing drink that I make every summer, and it's just so refreshing. I use lemons, limes, and mint, and then I'm going to add some Topo Chico sparkling water to this, and also some stevia, and it's just so refreshing. You put it in the fridge, and you can grab it whenever you want. So yeah, I'm sharing this really quick, and then we're going to go ahead and just do a final home tour for 4th of July. And again, let me know what you guys want next or want to see more of here on this channel. I'm excited to get into the fall and Halloween, especially Halloween. Halloween is always very popular with my channel, and I was out shopping on Friday and I popped into At Home, and they have some great Halloween stuff already out. I did take some video of that, and I'll go ahead and pop up some of the clips I took here on the right of the screen. I bet you guys didn't know you're going to get Halloween in this video. I didn't think I was going to do it either, but then I was like, hey, I have that content. I'll go ahead and share it with you guys, because I do often share at least a Halloween haul, because that's just my big season that I love to decorate for. So I'll go ahead and pop that up and let you guys see what At Home has.
She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl. Guitar.
Okay, so as I pour myself a cup of this refreshing concoction, I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this video. Thank you for tuning into my 4th of July series, and I look forward to getting to the second half of the year with you guys and doing Halloween. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe, and if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back and your support. Be sure to like this video. It really helps my channel. I hope you have a wonderful 4th of July with your family. Thank you.